Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Do watch your previous uploaded lesson and revise the things that you have already learned. Alright, now today's lesson. First, let's learn counting further. Let's learn to say 38 in Urdu. In English, we say 38 and in Urdu, 38. 38, 38. Repeat many times for practice and then count from 1 to 38 a few times. All right? Okay, now let's revise a few words that we have already learned. Sun. In English, we say sun. When it's daytime, there is sun in the sky. Sun. And in Urdu, it is Suraj. 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 Sun. Suraj. Then at night, there is moon. In English, we say moon, and in Urdu, chand. 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 Moon, chand. Then we say color. Color, and in Urdu, it is rang. Rang. Just do revise these words. There are previous lessons. In those lessons, we've learned these words. You can always watch those lessons as well and revise these words one more time here as well. Okay, now let's learn some sentences. In English, we say, come here, come here. In Urdu, it is, idhar aao, idhar aao, idhar aao. I hope you do remember how to say come in Urdu. Come is aao, aao. So come here, and in Urdu, idhar aao. When we say let's go, let us go, let's go, that in Urdu is आओ चलें, आओ चलें, आओ चलें, let's go, आओ चलें. Then we say go, go there, go there, and in Urdu it is उधर जाओ, उधर जाओ, उधर जाओ, go there, उधर जाओ. I hope you do remember how to say go in Urdu. Go is जाओ, जाओ. So go there, and in Urdu, udhar jao. Then we say do it, do it. And in Urdu it is karo. Do it, karo. Then in English we say don't do it, don't do it. And in Urdu it is nahi karo, nahi karo. Don't do it, nahi karo. Let's repeat one more time. In English we say come here, and in Urdu idhar aao. In English we say let's go, and in Urdu आओ चलें. In English we say go there, and in Urdu udhar jao. Then in English we say do it, and in Urdu karo. In English we say don't do it, and in Urdu nahi karo. Repeat many times for better practice, okay? All right, this is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you with next lesson, inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.